Today I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, depending on which browser you use. Then, type Amazon in the search bar and go to Amazon.com. This is the home page of Amazon. You'll see if you have Amazon Prime or not by looking at the top left. As you can see, I have Amazon Prime, so it says Amazon Prime. Next, go to the top right and scroll over where it says Hello and your name, account, and list. Click on this. Next, scroll down to memberships and subscriptions. It'll be on the right side of your screen. Under the pictured boxes on the right side, go to, let's see right here, other subscriptions. Yes, this is the correct one. Next, you'll see your memberships and subscriptions, and you can see which Amazon subscriptions you're subscribed to. As you can see, I'm subscribed to Amazon Prime only, but you may be subscribed to these things such as Kindle, Subscribe and Save, Audible, and magazines. Click on Manage Subscriptions, and it'll tell you when your next payment is, how much you're being charged, where it's being charged, and here you can also change your payment method by clicking right here on Change. But I will go to my Prime membership right here. And now you'll be on this page. Click on the right side under Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and More. You want to click, and then you can click End Membership. After clicking End Membership, as you can see here, they'll prompt you to really stay there, and you'll want to hit End Membership one more time. You can also click on the option for them to remind you 3 days before your membership ends, as if you do cancel it early, you will be refunded money, but you will not be able to currently use your Amazon Prime benefits. So you can either keep them until the end of the month by hitting Remind Me Later, and you'll be sent an email to cancel your sub, or you can click End My Membership from here. And that will be it. Thank you. Please feel free to like and subscribe if this video helped you. It helps me out.